Hello world and welcome. Today I will talk about YOLO. So you only look once. It's an image detection model which is now available even in the sixth version, but today I will show the fifth version of YOLO, how to detect within the image a person or all the objects that are in the picture, and I will show you how you can do it with Python. My name is Harris, and let's get started. So if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button or leave a like, comment there. So first of all, I'm going to show you where you can find the pre-trained model, because today I'm also using a pre-trained model, which means I didn't do it by myself. It would take so much time, and that's why I took a pre-trained model. You can find it here in the GitHub repository, where I find some description about the YOLO model, and you can download back actually here. Here are different pre-trained models, like the small, the big, or the large version or something like this. Um, it's done on the Torch platform, and you can basically download it here. I have some description how you can import it. And today I'm using Torch YOLO 5 and with CV2 to just yeah, I have one picture which I can detect, and I'm loading here the YOLO 5 model and the PT. This is the model or the weight itself. And then you can basically load the model, and here you can just say what's the size of the image itself, and then you can show the results. So I will first of all show the first image, which is actually this one. This is the first image, right? Where you have like some palais, and then you have some people going here. And then you try to detect all the objects, the people, the surrounding, and everything. I'm starting this, and let's see how the result looks like. So it's finished, and then you see that all the person with probability of 80 to 90% were detected. Here you have a traffic light. You have some handbag of this person that was detected as well. So it looks pretty good. Then I have a second picture, which I can show you, which is a street full of people. You can see here traffic lights. And yeah, let's see how the detection looks like here. I'm also starting this image. And yeah, this is how it looks like. About 80 to 90%. It got the people, it got the handbag here. You can see a traffic light. You can see, yeah, it was detecting the truck, so there isn't a truck, but yeah, looks like a little bit like a truck, but you can see basically traffic light, the person were detected and so on. So the fifth model, it's actually working pretty fine. It's really fast, so you have a lot of different model types, like the large one, the small one, and so on, with a little less parameters. I would say it was really amazing, and so thanks for watching, and see you soon.